Good Monday morning. You've got cloudy skies out there, but it's going to burn off. We'll end up with sunshine as we get into the noontime hour, and probably going to be warming up to the 90s this afternoon. Got a possibility for some thunderstorms developing to the west and to the south of us. It's something you can keep an eye on at KXAN.com, but for the moment, looking pretty good. 360 tower cam, just the cloud cover. A little bit of a breeze out there. Out of the southeast at 6 miles per hour. Temperature 74 degrees. Humidity at 87%. You may notice on the windshield of your car this morning a few dots of dust that from some earlier sprinkles. And then we've had pretty steady little breeze across the area. That gets the dust stirred up, and it sticks to those dots, and all of a sudden you have polka dots all over the car. May not be that big of a deal, but you'll notice it. 70s outside, 72s, 73s, 74s, and 175 in Llano, Texas right now. Pretty quiet otherwise. We've talked about cloud cover, showers out to the west of us, some thunderstorms yesterday evening. Got close and then died out. We think maybe today a little bit closer, so out in the hill country, watch for that. But that's not the only place we're going to see showers. Could be a few coastal showers. Now, we see a lot more of that in the summertime. These little showers that develop right around sunrise and later in the day and afternoon, they'll roll in. We have these little isolated showers. Sometimes they can produce a little bit of thunder. Not that big of a deal, but we're going to watch two places for showers today. We'll watch that for today and tomorrow, and then this is pretty much done. We'll have a different pattern in here later in the week, and we won't see that. See the showers down towards Corpus Christi coming up? That's what you can see as a possibility for showers that direction, and then, of course, these thunderstorms out to the west that direction. Forecast models picking up on not only these, but also what we had out to the coast. So put these in motion by noon today, and I honestly think our forecast model is broad brushing this a little bit. I think there's a couple of little smaller storms that'll develop. It could be pretty intense, but they tend to throw off the average, if you will. It's like somebody in class getting a 100 and everybody else getting 60s. Well, the average obviously is skewed a little bit, so I think that's the case here, is it's trying to accommodate for a couple of little hot cells here, a couple of thunderstorms where the rest of the area will not see hardly anything. So I know that's some strange math. All right, it's early Monday morning. As we look out to the west, thunderstorms that direction, they move in. By the time that everybody's getting ready to head home from school, I know that paints it pretty dark. Again, I think it's overemphasizing it because there's a couple of hot spots and then everybody else will see nothing. It tends to kind of throw it off. So possibilities for that into the evening hours around drive time, and then again a possibility tomorrow, and then we're done. 92. For most folks, partly cloudy. For a few folks, some thunder showers. Tonight, the rain may continue into the evening hours but die out overnight. 70 the overnight low. Our forecast over the 7 days ahead, rain chances 10%. And again, that's possibilities for thunderstorms in a few locations. And then temperatures start to go up as it starts to dry out. In fact, mid and maybe some upper 90s heading into the weekend. That's not good. Don't want it that hot. It's the way it's shaping up, though. First warning weather on the radio with Magic 95.5 and Talk Radio 1370 AM. First warning weather and traffic together every 10 minutes. Here's Deborah Wynn.
And at 6:47, actually some good news. We're starting to make some progress. At least we just have one reported trouble spot now. It's kind of a tough situation. There was a vehicle fire, or at least there was. The car fire itself likely out at this point, but the disabled vehicle still